Good afternoon, everyone. This is your instructor Anis Kumar Singh. EntreTech has given us a huge opportunity to train each one of you guys in IT technologies. We at Infofit Software Solution do not only consider it as an opportunity, we consider it more of a responsibility. We consider it as our responsibility to train each one of you guys in IT technologies in the best possible manner. Our purpose is not only limited to taking you guys at a place where you are very much comfortable enough with IT technologies like cloud computing, like machine learning, like cyber security. But our end goal is to place you guys in a good reputed organization. That is our end goal. And how are we going to achieve that? We have been consistently doing our job. We have been consistently doing our training. That is a very good sign. But at the end of the day, we alone cannot achieve this end goal. We would need your support. You need to practice consistently. It's not a two-day affair. You need to be a self-learner. You do not need to restrict yourself to the learning which we are imparting. You need to expand your horizon. You need to learn every day, consistently. Even if it is like for 1 hour, you need to be consistent in your approach. You need to practice as much as you can, because practice is gonna make you perfect. Like I said, we are going to decide our future. And I could guarantee you that we will do more than 100%. We'll do more than 100% to make sure you all understand all of the concept regarding the technologies which you guys are enrolled in. So with this, I would again request you guys to be consistent. Okay, it's not a one-day affair. I have written all the points, which I want to talk to you guys. The next thing which I want to talk to you guys is about how we are going to achieve a good company, how we are going to place ourselves in a good company. See, knowledge is very much important, but at the same time, we need to enhance our communication skills. We need to enhance how do we communicate. That is most important thing. We need to present ourselves. By presenting ourselves, I mean that we need to prepare a good CV, our curriculum vitae. We need to be consistent from today onwards. We need to be consistent in looking for jobs around our country, like what technical jobs we could get in our country, even outside our country. We need to enhance our networking, like talk to the people who are already working in an industry, in an IT industry. Try to expand, try to increase your networking. Join LinkedIn. Join or register yourself in many job portals. Upload your CV in many job portals. Do not ever think that you do not know anything. No, that's never the case. I could guarantee you there is nothing called 100% perfect IT engineer. There are no perfect IT engineers, okay? It's a consistent process where you keep enhancing yourself. So apply for job. We need to apply for job like 15 days from now onwards, okay? Like when we are good in cloud computing, because right now we are doing cloud computing. Right now we are doing fundamentals of Python. 15 days from now onwards, or maybe take 20 days from now onwards, when you feel comfortable enough, like, okay, I am good in cloud computing, I understand the fundamentals of cloud computing. Or maybe when you think, okay, I understand the fundamentals of Python now, start applying for jobs. Start looking for job, like what different job opportunities are there for Python developers, what different job opportunities are there for cloud computing engineers. Start looking for that. For cloud computing engineers, I have told you, like I have given you a website, AWS Builder. Go there, enhance your skill. Try to clear some certification. There are many free certification which you could take from these platforms like Amazon, from AWS. Practice. I am very thankful to EntreTech that they have also approved amount using which you guys could practice on AWS cloud. So the only request I have from each one of you, let me category point each and every list again. Okay, first, prepare your CV. Second, upload your CV in all job portals. Okay, create your LinkedIn account. Third thing. Fourth thing, practice consistently. Be a self learner. Practice every day. Okay. Fifth thing, watch all the videos which we do in the class. Okay, revise, and revise. Sixth thing, practice that in cloud platform. If I have taught you about EC2, try to create your own EC2. If I have taught you about creating a static website on S3 bucket, try to create your own static website on S3 bucket. If I taught you about CLI, command line interface, try to install command line interface on your computer and try to connect with AWS. Okay. For machine learning, if I have taught you Python, try to practice Python questions. Okay. So do not stop yourself. Okay. Practice consistently. Be with me. Practice consistently with me. And I could guarantee you that 2 months down the line, we will be at a place where you could call yourself a software engineer. You will definitely call yourself, like, if you reflect what you were 2 months before, and when you reflect at that time, I could definitely guarantee you'll find yourself at a place where you are more technologically, you are more knowledgeable than you were 2 months before. Okay, so with this, I'll end this video. Okay, please do remember what I have told you. Okay, let's meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we have cloud computing class. Tomorrow we do have machine learning class. Okay, let's meet tomorrow, and with that, I'll end this video. Have a nice day. Please take care.